Hi friends, I'm Imran and you're watching my channel Bukhari Tech. Friends, in this video I'm show you how to unlock your iPhone passcode if you forgot your iPhone passcode. So let's start the video without wasting time. So firstly open your laptop and open your Chrome. Guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe first and press bell icon for more updates. So tap on search, tap tenor, share space for you key, enter. Now open your first app, tab on, scroll down. So you can see here free download options here. So tab on free download and install this software. So go back. I'm already installed this software already, and now open this software, tab on yes, wait a few seconds. So you can see here, adjust your screen. So you can see here unlock iOS screen. So remove all types of screen locks like 4 digits, 6 digits passcode, touch ID or face ID, etc. So tab on start. So friends, recognize your device. So number 1 point, connect the device via USB. Make sure your USB cable put in your laptop or also in your device. So friends, you can see here my iPhone device is connected and ready to work. So tab on download. You can see firmware downloading. So when this is download, so it's remove your all 4 digits, 6 digits and face ID, etc. Unlock your iPhone passcode, any iPhone. So go back, go back. So friends, same procedure when you remove your Apple ID. So tap simply remove Apple ID. Now start to remove Apple ID. Now tab on remove and then again device connected, please download the latest firmware to remove Apple ID. So when you download and tab on remove, then your iPhone will be remove the Apple ID. So go back and now you can see bypass MDM. You can also bypass your device MDM, same procedure, and other password manager, remove screen, time passcode. So friends, you know how to remove screen time passcode, bypass MDM, remove Apple ID, and also remove all types of screen locks like 4 digits, 6 digits, passcodes, touch ID, face ID, etc. So friends, close this. Now still close the program. So friends, in this video you know how to unlock your iPhone passcode, any type of passcode, and remove Apple ID very easy with use of this TenorShare for you key software. So friends, if the video is helpful for you, please like, share and press bell icon for more updates. And also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.